right, yes. Anyone who want to understand and anyone who would want to learn my dreadlocks. Yes, I already say this that my dreadlocks are very, very different from other dreadlocks. And it is not like I cannot do other dreadlocks, but I always want to do something that is different from others. So, to those who are going to follow me today, yes, I would like you to see these very, very clear, and then you listen to what I'm going to tell you, because somehow, somewhere, there's some mistakes that people have been doing when it comes to this locking. Now, first and foremost, those ones who've been following my dreadlocks, this is the cross locking. When you do it this way and then you do it upwards. Of course, the method of cross locking, it always you use it when you're locking like soft hair, like the 4C hair, and especially when you're in that first line, the hair is always soft. You can see her hair is really thick, as you can see, but now when you're still on the, like maybe now this one, I'm on the sides, okay, so we can use the cross locking. But as you're joining the inside, like in the middle, the somehow somewhere you will find, like once the hair is thick, you try to use that V locking. So now let me try to explain how these ones helps. You've been seeing like there's some people who say that the dreadlocks are painful, but it just starts from the locking. Once someone locks from, like now the way I'm locking, if I don't leave that quarter inch, like a quarter inch of it for my extension to pass through, trust me, it will also bring tension on your hair. So what you need to do is, whenever you're trying to lock it, you should always try to leave a quarter inch for the hair extension, and then you lock again. So the very advice I would tell all the clients who are trying to do dreadlocks, you should listen this, that whenever you're going to do dreadlocks and then they start locking, like the way I'm doing right here, they start locking. After they have finished locking, then you feel pain, okay, trust me, then at least you tell them to not to continue. Or maybe when they're going to add on the extension, they should not lock it again. You get what I'm saying? Like once you feel pain, like on this foundation, you see how I'm locking her hair, like after it all, before even adding the extension, and you start feeling pain, just what you should tell your stylist is to leave it, or maybe to add in the extension and they don't lock again. But sometimes when you add in the extension and you don't lock again, it doesn't look nice and neat. So that's why for us, we always leave that inch for the locking. You can see they're somehow loose, like they're not very, very tight on the scalp. So most people, they lock and they make it be on the scalp, and now once they're trying to add on the extension, it becomes very hard for them to lock the hair again. Now when it is hard for them to lock the hair again, it start bringing the tension to their clients. So I would like to advise you guys, please do not allow that. So you can see here in the middle, I'm just trying to use the V locking. I'm locking once, but when you're locking on the sides, you don't do the once lock, the V locking, because here the hair is soft, and once the hair is soft, we do this cross locking, okay? But now cross locking, once you do it on the in the middle, like where the hair is thick, trust me, it will be like tight down, it will be tight. But once you see it tight, please, at least it is very, very it is better to unlock it and then you try to lose it, because once you add in the extension and then you continue, it is not good at all. So once we make sure that this is done, she wanted in her long hair we should do a short dreadlocks, but they should be temporarily, okay? They should be temporarily. And I know the question that is going to be there is, you guys are going to be asking, how do you unlock them? How do you comb them out? So I'm going to add in the link in the description so that you click on them, go and check it out how we unbraid these dreadlocks. And it is very, very easy for you to unbraid it. So you can see that it is the hair that I'm passing through the hair extension. That's why I say that my dreads are different. So why am I doing this? It is just so you see the extension, the space that I left there. So now I can lock it again. Okay, that is what I was trying to say, that you always leave that 1/4 inch for the extension to be locked. Yes, I was trying to explain that my dreads are different because I use someone's hair to pass it through the extension. So once you want to unbraid it yourself, it is very easy. You can be seeing your hair. So you just black out the hair because you'll be seeing it as you're going to be seeing in those videos that I've just added in the description. So please, if you want to prove it yourself, even before you ask the question of how to comb out these dreadlocks, please go and check it out so that your heart is at least you be comfortable while you want to choose to do these extended dreadlocks. But I believe they're painless and they last longer, and again they can really protect your long hair until you really want to remove it. Your hair will be protected. So the only thing you need to avoid is to use a scissor. Okay, like after we have done the locking, and then you bring a scissor to trim, you might trim it badly and you find out you are cutting your client's hair. So don't do that. Make sure that the hair is all locked inside so that you avoid the trimming. But you can see how I'm rolling it to be inside and to be short, so that these dreads like going to follow the steps. Yes, the first line should be very short, and then the second line it can also cover it. It is okay, so that it is this first line should not overpass through the other one. Remember, we are doing it very short. Okay, so this is how you can achieve these dreadlocks. And please, if you have any question that you need to ask me, please just go right in the comment section, ask me. Yes, I'll be there to answer you. And those ones would want to purchase our hair products, the hair extension, yes, the link is in the description. And of course, you can also trust me and you WhatsApp me on that number, those ones who are very far, so that I can send you directly, okay, via FedEx or maybe the DHL, the hair extension and the hair products that we always use, all for natural hair. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, and trust me, if you look at these dreadlocks, they're very, very different from other dreadlocks. That's why I call them the extended dreadlocks. And again, it is very, very easy to unbraid them, to comb it out, as you can see in that description. Please try to confirm, okay, before you ask. You can confirm by watching those videos. They're going to help you a lot. So for now, let's see the outcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. This is what I was trying to explain to you, that you should always leave a 1/4 inch while locking this. You should always leave a 1/4 inch while locking, so that even after you have added in the extension, you still have that room of locking again. Because I know when after adding the extension, you will always need to lock. So please, at the first place, don't lock it, don't overlock it, like to reach down, where you cannot even pass through the extension. It will be very, very hard for you. So for now, you can see how this is going, and I hope you have managed to understand what I was trying to tell you. And yes, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Guess what? To those ones who are the first who are return subscribers, I would like to welcome you. And to those ones who are still new, just know we always upload videos every week for you guys to learn. We always upload videos for you every week for you guys to learn. And another thing, my live streaming are also going to start them. So shout out to you guys who have been missing me, and I've been missing you a lot. Yes, so we are going to do it again. So bye bye. May the Lord bless you all. But before, I'm waiting for your message. I'm waiting for your message in the comment section. I'm waiting for your questions. Please, you ask me any question you feel like. I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. Yes, because we need to understand these temporary dreadlocks. They are very, very nice for our natural hair. Yes, you can have this for a whole year, and trust me, your hair is protected. Got it?
He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the cricket master, didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the cricket master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a cricket master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a cricket master, Morris, your cricket master, Morris, your cricket master.